Hello and welcome back to my channel Computer Classes by Rachna. Today we will talk about evaluating a postfix expression. The given expression that we have is an infix expression, and this infix expression has to be converted into postfix. We have already seen how to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression in the previous videos. So I'm doing it directly here. So we will have 10 to multiply, and then we have 6, and then we have minus. This is the resultant postfix expression for the above infix expression. And now comes evaluating the postfix expression. So we use stack to evaluate the postfix expression. The algorithm is, if you have an operand, add it to the stack, and if you have operator, remove top two elements from the stack and in such a way that A is the top element and B is the second top element. So remove these two and you have to perform B operation A. You do not have to perform A operation B. So the B will be the second top element and A will be the top element, and we will perform B operator A whenever an operator occurs. All right, so let's see this example. So I'm just deleting this portion because I made it to make you understand. And now we will see how to do this conversion from infix to postfix. We have already done how to do the evaluation of postfix. So we have 10. 10 is an operand. We will put it onto the stack. All right, since 10 is an operand, we put it onto the stack. And now we have 2. 2 is also an operand. We will put it onto the stack. Now we have multiply. Since multiply is an operator, we will take out the top element and the second top element, and we will perform 10 multiplied by 2, since this is B and this is A. So B is supposed to be 10 and A is supposed to be 2. So B multiply A. So what is the answer? The answer 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. We will replace this value which we calculated by 20 and we'll keep it back on the stack. Then you have 6. 6 is an operand. Put it onto the stack. Then you have minus. Now minus is again an operator. Whenever we have an operator, so we put this operator at the top of the arrow that we have minus now. So we will perform B, which is 20, operator A, which is 6, where A is the top element and B is the second top element. And now we'll perform 20 minus 6. So now you understand why we did not do A operation B, because 6 minus 20 will give a negative value, and it is the rule that we have to take first the second top, then we have to take the top, and we have to perform the operation. So what is 20 minus 6? 20 minus 6 is 14. So my answer to this question is 14. All right, this is how we evaluate a postfix expression. Now we can take some more examples for the same. Let's say example number 2, which is 10 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, so what should be the answer? The answer should be 10 2s are 20 plus 3 4s are 12, and it makes it 32. So we will convert this infix expression into postfix first, and then we will evaluate. So first let's convert infix to postfix. So Q equal to 10 into 2 plus 3 into 4. All right, now we have the serial number. We again have the operator scanned, or the value scanned, or the symbol scanned. So value scanned, and then we have the stack itself, and then we have the resultant postfix expression. And first is to follow step 1, which is to put a left parenthesis onto the stack and a right parenthesis at the end of the stack. So we'll put this right parenthesis here. Step 1 is over. Then we get this. Since we get this, it will be added to the stack. So left parenthesis, left parenthesis. Now after left parenthesis we have 10. So this will remain, the stack will remain as it is, and we'll have the postfix expression 10. After this we have the value multiply. Since multiply is an operator, it will be kept inside the stack without any hassle because we have left parenthesis still now in the stack. Alright, so after this we have 2. So 10 multiplied by 2. So this will remain as it is, and the expression would be 10 comma 2 because 2 is an operand. Now after this we have right parenthesis. Whenever we have right parenthesis, what do we have to do? We have to remove everything till we get a left parenthesis, and whatever we are removing will be added to the postfix expression, except from this. This will be discarded. Alright, so what are we left with? We are left with 10 comma 2 comma multiply. Now after this we have plus. So plus is again and operator, so that would be added to the stack. So we have this and we have plus. All right, and now we have another parenthesis and then we have 3. So another parenthesis and then we have 3. So for parenthesis we will have 1 2 3. We will have left parenthesis plus again left parenthesis, and for 3 this will remain as it is, and we'll be having 10 to multiply. All right, and 3. After this what do we have? After 3 we have multiply. So again we have asterisk symbol, which is multiply. So multiply, and then we have this in the stack. We have left parenthesis, we have plus, we have left parenthesis, and we have multiply, and in right we have 10 to multiply and 3. Now after this at 11th we have the right, we have the 4. So 4 will be added, the stack will remain as it is, 10 to multiply 3 and then 4. So after this we have after 4 we have the right parenthesis. So whenever we have a right parenthesis, we have to take out everything from the stack and put it on the postfix expression, and we have this, we have plus, and now this, and then multiply. The multiply comes out and this gets discarded. So what do we get? 10 to multiply 3 4 multiply, and at the end we will have plus. So at the end we again have not plus, we will have this right parenthesis. Since we have a right parenthesis, we were left with left parenthesis and plus, so this plus would shift here. So my final answer would be 10 to multiply 3 4 and multiply and plus. All right, so this plus has come out and this multiply is this left parenthesis is discarded, and we are left with an empty stack. So my final answer is 10 to multiply 3 4 multiply and plus. So this is my final answer. All right. Thank you so much.